Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to install lspdfr. So stay until the end of the video to see how and if this helps you get the dream mod of your life, then just like this video and sub to my channel. It would mean a lot, and without further ado, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, we are back. So, this is a lspdfr. I'm not responsible for the mess ups for your PC this might cause, but I mean, over 7 million people downloaded it, so I doubt it's gonna mess up, and I have it on mine, and mine's not messed up, got a virus or anything. But there is a point where you download too many mods, and then it makes your PC glitchy. It tells you if it's a virus. So first, what you're gonna type in is lspdfr. After you get that done, you're going to need WinRAR, which you need this because if you don't have this, you're not going to be able to add mods in or nothing. WinRAR is a modding tool. So after you get that, it says it costs money, but it's free. I'm telling you, it's totally free. I'm not lying. It's free. And then you need OpenIV. You need this too for it to add vehicles in and stuff. Okay, once you get back, go back to lspdfr. So what you're going to be doing, your page should look like this. You're going to go to the very top. You're going to click on lspdfr, of course. You're going to click on download lspdfr. I already got this downloaded, so. And then you're going to go scroll down to download. Why am I glitchy? Oh, it's because I'm recording. Let me close this. So you're going to go down. Oh my god, these crap. You're going to go down to download this file. Scroll all the way down and click agree and download. You can install it by yourself or set up since this is your first time probably. Go to what was it? Okay, setup. Don't click on manual. So after you click that, it should be updated. It says it will start in 4 seconds. You can click the click here button to make it go faster. As you can see, mine's gonna be a little glitchy because I'm recording. So as you see, we got 10 seconds left. So yeah, I hope your all day is going good. I will show you how to install cars. I'm gonna turn on my comments. Y'all are gonna have to tell me though if you want to know how to install cars and stuff. Oh, don't tell me this ain't gonna work. Okay, let me do this. I'm just gonna do it the manual way, I guess. So then after you get that installed, it's really not hard. You just click. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to show you all the manual way. Then y'all can delete it and do the manual way. The manual way is 10 times faster than the setup one. It's not hard. Trust me. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Nope. Okay. So what you're going to do, since that one ain't working, go back, install manual. Then you go. You have to have GTA for this to work, of course, and you gotta have Steam. If you don't have none of those, you're not gonna be able to do this. And you gotta be on PC. You can't be on PS4 because it won't work. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna click on Steam. Oh my god, I forgot I gotta install the manual. Here, I got the freaking manual right here. Anymore. So this is what I was talking about, the WinRAR. This is where it keeps all your mods at. Let me find the... where's it at? Dang, dude, I might not be able to install lspdfr today, but I will tell you what to do. Because I can tell you, because I've done it like 20 times. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got it pop. So after you get it installed, well, first you gotta get this. So once you get on Steam, go to Grand Theft Auto, right-click on it, go down to Properties. Okay, go to Local Files, the third one down, and then go to Browse. And then after you're on that, close this, close up. Yours ain't gonna look like mine because you don't have any mods in it. I got a lot of mods in mine. So then after you get that done, you're gonna open this. when you click manual, this is not the setup one by itself. This is the manual one. So all you're gonna do, your should look like this. If it looks like the setup one, you can try to do that, or you can do this one. And my preference, the manual one's way easier. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna hold the left click. Yeah, the left click. You're gonna hold all these. Don't copy the type. Stop at license. You're gonna drag and you're gonna drop them. To drag them, you just hold the left click, and to copy them, like make it blue, you just hold the left click too, drop them, bam, there you go. You got lspdfr installed. But there's a few more things. Let me just go here again. Y'all don't need to do this because you're gonna have it already. But I'm trying to give y'all an idea of what to do. Whew, man. Okay. Okay, well, I'm not gonna download that because freaking, I guess it's where I'm recording the video or something. I don't freaking know. But what you're gonna do, y'all's is gonna look different. Y'all just click yes on everything when it says, because it's gonna say, hold up, this may be your new word, baby. I don't know why the frick it says that, but you're gonna click yes, and then when it says, do you want to back up your game files, you're gonna click yes. Then after you get some backing up your game files, it should look like this. And I'm gonna be making an lspdfr video soon too, so stay tuned for that. So then after you get the backup game files, you should get a screen like this. It should pop up this. It should have this on it. So don't change none of this. Only change if it's not any, don't load plugins on any startup. Because if you load the plugins on startup and click LSPD first response, and then it could crash your game, and then you ain't gonna be able to play it. So just keep it on. Don't load any plugins on startup, and click save and launch. And then I would get in the game, but then it's gonna stop my recording. I would tell you what to do. So when you get in the game, go to the push F4, because then you get on this like thing, and you type in reload all plugins. Bam, after you do that, you get back on the F4 thing, it's type a thing, and you type in force duty. And then just like that, you got lspdfr installed, you're caught. So you can do anything you want. This is the only video about lspdfr. I'm not telling you how to do install callouts or calls. Those are gonna be on different videos. If you want those, like if you need help with anything, comment down. And yeah, that's a short video, because I know there's YouTubers that freaking like 20-minute videos. This is an 8-minute video about how to install lspdfr short. Not that hard. If you don't get it, just tell me and I will try to help you. I'll try to make a video on it. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video on how to install lspdfr. If you really enjoyed this and I helped you get it, just comment down below, say you helped me get it, and then just like my video and sub, and it would mean a lot. And then when y'all sub, I'll make more videos like this so then I can help more people. So yeah, that's going to be the all for this video, lspdfr tutorial. If you enjoyed it, like and sub to my channel, it would mean a lot. And without further ado, this is Xander the Gamer here. Peace.